Hey everyone, so this is an exciting video, you'll see. So I stopped talking about one of my favorite skincare brands and it is entirely, well, your fault, kind of. Now I have loved Tursian for a very long time now and I have used it consistently as well, by the way. Now hands up, I absolutely know the founder, personally, beautiful human being. But there was a problem. Every time that I featured them in a video, the comments were exactly the same. Which is basically, Wayne, I want it, but I can't afford it. The luxury price point here is just way too high for most people. And yeah, I agree. But, and this is important, I didn't just sit on that feedback. I actually took your comments directly to the brand because, well, why not? And I told the founder that my followers love the science, but hated the barrier to entry, the price. So anyway, speaking of science, it's truly next level stuff. Honestly, like I don't get it, but I benefit from it, so I'm happy with that. I think he got some similar feedback as well from his followers about the price. Now, what he did next is just unheard of. He listened and he completely repositioned the brand's cost structure. His mission was very simple, to make luxury accessible. And he did it. Now, usually when a brand does this, they just cut corners, right? They shrink the bottle, or they water down the active ingredients, or they find some other loophole. Not Tursian. The formulas are identical, the sizes are identical, the quality is identical. The only single thing that has changed, the price. And by the way, a little goes a very, very long way here. So these products will last you for months and months, making them, even more cost effective. They are also responsible for the reason that I moved up from 0.05% to 0.1% tretinoin without my face falling off. Like nothing, zero flaking, zero side effects, just, well, gorgeous skin. And for those that have asked, and I've mentioned it before, my routine hasn't changed. I am a creature of habit. So I use the Y3 Youth Restore Serum Concentrate. Bit of a mouthful, I know, but who doesn't like a mouthful? And I follow it up with the Y4, which is the Advanced Youth Complex Moisturizer. This stuff is just insanely, it's insane. And if you struggle with dark circles, R31, which is the eye contour brightening gel, there is nothing like this on the market, nothing. You will see. They finally did what so few luxury brands are willing to do. They actually made it about the customer. So anyway, there you go. Go ahead, check the website out, check the link in the description bar, see for yourself, because it is, well, it's epic. And now I can finally talk about my favorite skincare brand again. And I will. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye-bye. Please like this video. Otherwise, I'll take you on a closet tour and you can see all my Christian Louboutin shoes. Because who doesn't love a tone-deaf influencer?